What up, YouTube? Today gonna be installing ExtremeOnlineStore's turbo mufflers axleback system with the NPP valves. So for the people that don't know, ExtremeOnlineStore came out with a new exhaust. So gonna be testing this bolt up system on my car. Right now I have 2-inch headers and then 3-inch X pipe. So unfortunately I can't bolt it up. So I'm gonna take it to an exhaust shop to get it welded. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is gonna be basically cold start with my stock exhaust. I do have long tubes and 2-inch long tubes, 3-inch X pipe. So this is what the stock exhaust sounds like. Alright, so before I load it up, let's take a look. This is how it came packaged. Really great packaging. That way nothing gets damaged. It looks like this is the tips. So let me pull this one out so we can get a better look. So this is with the packaging removed. Wow, look at the tips. Bam. It does have the flange for the exhaust, so you still keep your active exhaust or NPP valves. Oh yeah, look at that finish. Look at those welds. Great quality right there. There's some clamps. Alright, so he's mocking it up, figuring out where to cut. Both sides of the X pipe are cut, and now the stock exhaust is off. Here on the ground we have ExtremeOnlineStore's axleback. Stock exhaust is over there. NPP valve motors installed and mounted. Alright, so this side is mocked up, welded up. Side he still has to weld it. Made the adapter work. Valves are plugged in. So that's the finished product. Welded everything together instead of using the clamps, so we don't risk any exhaust leaks. Valves are plugged in, you can see right there. Same thing on this side. Alright, now it's time for the cold start and the very first start with this axleback system. sounds like at idle. Valves are open. This is going to be a remote start with the valves open in an open area. Alright guys, going to be showing you a couple rev videos next. Alright, so this is supposed to be with the valves closed. This is with the valves open. Alright guys, so the axle back system is basically going to be a bolt up system to your OEM X pipe, so you don't really need to, you know, put any adapters like I did. You can clamp it on and you'll be good, but in my case I had 3-inch, so the exhaust shop made some adapters to make it fit, and I just welded everything so, you know, I don't have to deal with a clamp getting loose from all the rattling and stuff like that. But yeah, super simple install. I'm pretty sure you can do it yourself if you have the right tools, and, you know, if you put the car on jack stands or if you have a lift. Shout out to Extreme Online Store. Thanks again for the awesome exhaust. Stay tuned for more videos and more part installs. So the axle back is already listed on their website. I think they have it for like under 600 bucks. So make sure you grab your own. Sounds really nice, very minimal drone. Very happy with how it sounds. Love how the car sounds when you're outside the car. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.